And let's go to the reporting functionality. It is an especially important functionality because you think that both for internal control, even yours or your own work, or to justify the work to someone in your department, to someone in your company, or to a client, it becomes a fundamental part. Let's go here in the side menu to reports. Let's look at the fundamental pillar of reporting. Here you have it. Select the phase or phases for which you want to generate the report. You could generate only one, several, whatever you consider. It is also important that you understand that the first select is the select of the states that correspond or belong to each phase. Here it would be the monitoring one, because here are all the monitoring statuses and so on with all the phases. The second select is the group select. Do you remember that we made a group to see press releases, possible collaborations? Groups, not tags, okay? You could, for example, take out a reporting for the November proposal or whatever you consider. And the third select is the tags, the labels. Remember that it has nothing to do with groups. The tags come out of the searches that you have done in the search phase, and also if you have imported and tagged, those search or import tags would also come out. Imagine that you want to report to your client, for example, what is in managed status, and you can look to check the spam links, okay? So we have it here, and you directly want to generate a report. And once you have it here you have this to review spam links, and you can now generate or save this as review spam links. Save it, and you will always have the report here, so you can say, I want to review the spam links, and it will save it. It will mark the states and phases that you have marked. This can be taken to everything, any phase you have chosen. Look, for example, there is a case that I usually do. We have a standard report called Link Profile Report. Imagine that you generate it to make an analysis of the profile, and you could directly export it to the client, save it in CSV, or for example, as I just told you, you say, profile, links, without analysis. You save it. And you have it so you can do it whenever you want. I am going to explain a little bit, because you have already understood this perfectly, the phases, the statuses, the groups, and the tags. And I think it is key to be able to report your work, to be able to report what has been successful and also what has not been successful. Maybe you are passing on the actions. To me, the actions are very valuable. The actions that you're having, for example, with the ones that you're doing in self, and your client sees all the calls, everything that's been going on. Let's see it, if you remember. Let's take a look at it. Let's take this out. And here you would have everything that you are managing. Look at that, 22 actions. And this is just from the course. The received mails, sent mails, one call, one-to-one signals, and the customer review statuses. And here you would have it all, you see? Here you have what has been done with Pedalbici, which has been sent a mail. What has been done with, I don't remember, with mountain bike. Here you have it all. Do you want to export it to PDF? Then you take it out. Here you would have it. And, well, imagine being able to justify to your customer all the shipments, all the calls, everything that has been done. And, well, it's amazing.